When you've found a WP Rocket setup that works well on one site, you want the same configuration on every other site you manage. But going through each one and enabling the same settings by hand takes time, especially as your portfolio grows. With WP Rocket MCP, one sentence is all it takes. Your AI connects to the source site, reads the full WP Rocket configuration, and then checks what's currently set up on your other sites. It compares the two configurations and figures out exactly what needs to change. In this case, it found 8 settings to sync, and it was smart enough to skip CDN settings since those are specific to each site. All 8 changes applied, and you get a clear summary showing exactly what changed, each setting, what it was before, what it is now, and a status confirmation of the new settings applied, plus a note of what had been kept unchanged. What used to mean going through every site and repeating the same setup now takes one conversation. You onboard new clients faster and keep every site consistent without the repetitive work.